Magnesium oxide dry powder ball press forming machine is the main model of roller forming machine. It has a pair of axes parallel to each other, the same diameter. There is a certain gap between the cylindrical wheel. The wheel has many shape and size of the same, arranged regular hemisphere nest. The wheel is the main parts of the forming machine. Under the drive of the motor, the two wheels rotate at the same speed and in opposite directions. When the material falls into the joint between the two wheels, the pressure begins. At this time, the raw material produces volume compression between the corresponding two balls and sockets. The mold wheel rotates continuously. The ball and socket gradually close, and the forming pressure gradually increases. When the rotation reaches the minimum distance between the two balls and sockets, the forming pressure reaches the maximum. Then the wheel rotation makes the ball and socket gradually separate, and the forming pressure decreases rapidly. When the forming pressure is reduced to zero, the ball object compressed by the magnesium oxide ball press begins to expand away.